Okay, y'all, today we are going to do a chicken and potato casserole. You need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you need to coat a large baking dish with olive oil. Also, you're going to take about 4 potatoes. In my case, they were kind of small medium, so I did about 5. You're going to peel them and boil them to just fork tender, and you need to put that in the bottom. Just spread them out. So you don't need that many, just a few. And then you're going to set this aside because you're going to mix. You need a can of corn drained. You need cream of chicken soup. The meat for this recipe is canned chicken. So I've already took my canned chicken and broke it up in a bowl, drained it, the whole thing. Add that. You're going to need 1/2 cup of milk. You're going to need about 1/3 cup of sour cream. Building castles out of sand. Some melted butter. Willows align. We lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. You do not have to do that. The salt. Spread this out. Agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy. Now, you're going to cover this with foil. You're going to put it in a 350 degree oven, like I said earlier. And you're going to bake about 20 minutes until it's hot and bubbly. And then we'll take it out and put the cheese on it and then put it back in the oven. See you back here when it's done. Okay, y'all, so this is out of the oven and I let it rest for a little while. It's a perfect little country casserole and it's a great way to use that canned chicken. I'm going to show you a couple of other canned chicken recipes. Chicken breast is expensive and it's a lot easier for some people just to get the canned chicken. So you're going to need 2 cans of chunk chicken breast, and it's 12.5 ounce cans. You need to drain it and then put it in your bowl. And kind of take your fork and kind of mash it, kind of break it up. This is going to be buffalo chicken sandwiches, and you can also double, triple this, whatever you need for your family. Like I said, I'm doing 2 cans right now, and I'm loosely basing this on another recipe. I'll leave the link down below for that one, but remember, it's loosely based. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna put in is some buffalo sauce. You need about 1/2 cup.
My own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could.
I'm gonna add a couple of stalks of celery chopped as well. I'll add about a cup of shredded cheddar. And you can leave the ranch or blue cheese out if you prefer, but I'm gonna go ahead and just add it. I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for a few minutes and let it kind of soak through. And then I will assemble it and show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so this is the end result. I put it on a hoagie roll, but you can probably put it on any kind of rolls, bread. You can put it in a wrap. It's real easy, real simple. Tasted it. The flavors are real good together. I probably wouldn't put as much buffalo sauce as I did last time because it's a little bit strong. But it's just whatever you prefer, and it's really quick and easy, and it was made with canned chicken, which makes it very affordable. Here's another real quick, easy recipe using canned chicken. Going to be Caesar salad wraps. Now usually I use chicken breast for this, but I'm going to use the canned chicken breast. You need 2 cans of chicken breast, 12.5 ounce cans, and you need to drain those and go ahead and get your chicken kind of broke up. You can use a fork and it should break up just fine. I also like to use this seasoning, garlic parm by Weber, but you don't have to. And it just gives a little extra Caesar salad type flavoring. Alright, so here's my lettuce. I'm going to take some carrots that have been julienned, or matchstick carrots, however you say it. So I'm going to mix all that together. Next thing I do is I use this. Caesar dressing is the best. And you're going to put in just enough to kind of wet the ingredients. Stir that up and see if that's enough. Now you can put some crushed croutons in this if you would like. So we're going to add our chicken. Our seasoned chicken. And the last ingredient that you're going to need is parm. I'm going to use the grated type, not the shredded. And you're going to need about something this size, probably about 3 ounces, maybe 4. You can also leave it out if you don't like it, but this kind of makes it more like a Caesar salad. And then we will put it in a wrap and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Okay, so here's the finished product. Really easy, really simple. Any of those ingredients you can add, you know, take away. But it's an easy lunch and it's using the canned chicken, which is more convenient. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Night is rocking.